Senibi Syngkli, an accomplished arm wrestler hailing from Ribhoi district in Meghalaya, Lumdeng, Umden village, is set to represent India in the upcoming Asian Arm Wrestling Cup scheduled to take place in Uzbekistan from November 17 to 25th, 2023. Syngkli's recent outstanding performance at the 45th National Arm Wrestling Championship 2023 in Jammu and Kashmir, where she clinched 2 golds and 2 silver medals. Recognizing her achievements and to bolster her preparation for the Asian Arm Wrestling Cup, the Meghalaya People Social Organization from Ribhoi district officially met with Syngkli on Tuesday. In a show of support, the organization generously donated funds to aid her journey and participation in the upcoming tournament in Uzbekistan.
Nakarpat yang ketu ikpi para samla ba kinu ki badane ka sabka pong kijira ka da pide betu na kamphai ka ta sabka pong nanta nakarpat ru ya ka sarkar ba ka be kmi ingi kum ki samla nama kumoni ki ba sha select ban represent ya kari nisham shibun ki jinge justam hakali yang ka pisa ka tingka namar nimyo watak shitika ru na ka sarkar.
And now here is